What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So if you guys see by the title, I'll show you guys how to get your ASVAB scores up like 50%, 50 points. Mine actually went up like 20, 30 points because I did like last minute. But this is how to get it up in a week. I have the tricks. And I'm not that good at studying, but it actually helped me. And I was actually surprised. So I just want to say shout out to everybody that's been subscribing, liking the videos, and just overall just interested in what I'm doing, or overall just about to join the military, like friends and family. I've been seeing a lot of everyone wanting to join, and I'm here to help you guys with actually like my personal experience, the L's I've taken, because you know you guys can learn from my L's. I take a lot of L's sometimes, but learn from my L's, and I could just tell y'all what not to do. This is, you know, someone asked me about this too, like he was nervous about the ASVAB. He actually failed, and this is just a way to get better at your score and to get the job that you want. So the first thing that I actually did was went on the Air Force website and I found the job that I wanted. I saw the overall score that's needed, and alright, so the first time I took the ASVAB test at the MEPS, I got a 38, 42 in mechanics, 43 in admin, 33 in general, and 47 in electrical. But little did I know, I ended up failing my color vision test. So it like unqualified me from a lot of the jobs that I needed, that I actually wanted. So I had to wait a month and take the test again. So within that month, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't even study. Like, I just felt like that colorblind test wasn't even like, I couldn't understand the test when I actually took it, but you know, I learned that I was actually kind of a little bit colorblind. So what happened was I found these apps, and I'm gonna screen. Three, two, one, recording, and I click it. Okay, so the first app that I found was called ASVAB app, and what I did necessarily to like better my score with this app was, you gotta think about this, like you're in class and you fail all your tests, but your teacher drops the lowest grade. So the lowest grade will actually drag your score more down than it would for getting a grade that's higher. So what I did was take the lowest grade in the categories that I had that I was more weak on for my job or overall, because I needed to get a higher score so I could qualify for more jobs. So that was the position I was in, and I had to, you know, really do that. So I was like, all right, let me get the lowest score, the category that I'm more bad in, and actually try to improve. And I actually did this like a week before I was supposed to take the ASVAB. So that's what I'm saying. If you were to do this for the whole month, you would actually improve your score like 50 points or more. I actually did it last week and I actually went up 20 points. So I just went on here. And found like the category that like I sucked at, and just like I think I did like mathematics, right? And I just went through each one of these things till I unlocked all of them. And there was a couple of them I couldn't do myself, and like my wife would help me. And it also helped doing that too, having someone like reteach it to you or teach it to somebody else, because some of these are just like, you gotta do it without a calculator, and you can't just do it on your phone and things like that. I just went through here. I didn't even take the practice test on here because I already took the test at MEPS. So also what I did was I went on Quizlet. I remember I was like going to MEPS that day, and someone was like, Quizlet. I was like, Quizlet? And I was like on the way to MEPS about to take the ASVAB, and I pulled up Quizlet, and I was like searching on here, like I searched ASVAB 2020. Alright, and I just went through all of these like ASVAB tests, practice ASVAB tests, to like trying to study within those like 2 hours it took me to get to MEPS. And my score actually went up to my score went up to a 54. Mechanics was 56, admin was 52, general 57, electrical was 55. So it went up like a good like 20 points in each category. And I did that within a week. And like, I remember going to sleep and I would look at my app, the ASVAB app. And then when I woke up, I look at it again. I didn't like overstress myself out about it because I wouldn't learn, you know, I wouldn't want to do all the categories, study all the categories, because it wouldn't impact you as much versus just targeting one section and improving your lower score to make it better. That's what I did. So like anybody that's like struggling or failing, that's what I best you should probably most likely do. Yeah, the ASVAB was scary, I'm not gonna lie. I took the test and I felt like they dissected my brain. I was tired and I went to sleep. So, but yeah, like just use the app and the websites. Just use everything you possibly can. I promise you. You feel like you're not learning anything, but when you go take that test, you'll see this. You'll see the improvement, like what you've done. But try and work towards hitting the categories that the job that you want needs, and you'll get that job. What's this video already? 6 minutes? Oh yeah, shit. And also, when you're taking your first ASVAB test, try and remember the ones that you're struggling on, or the categories you're struggling on, to like, take reference from it, so you could like study on those more. Because I'm not gonna lie, sometimes you do see the same questions that you were studying in the ASVAB test. But yeah, guys, so that's really all I can really think about for the ASVAB. Really don't stress it too much. Just target the areas that you're like weak on, and it will actually improve your score like majority of the time, like really high, because lower scores are heavier than higher scores. When you improve your lower scores, and make your higher scores go up, and they work as a team together. If you know about averaging like multiple numbers, that's how it works. So just focus on that. There's a lot of resources. Just take your time. Don't do last minute like me. You know, you probably get way more like scores than me, points than me actually. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you stay tuned. Subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. You know, do the same thing. And I'll see you guys later. Deuces.